Hey, how's it going? John from Branson Cerakote Laser here. We are at 10,000 subscribers. So it's been, I think, almost 4 years since we started our YouTube channel, and we finally got to 10,000 subscribers. So kind of as a thank you for that, what we're going to do is give away 10 $100 stencil packs. All we need you to do, because YouTube doesn't give me access to people's emails and things like that, is if you see this video and you want to be entered in the drawing for the 10 packs, leave us a comment down below. And then understand that if we enter your name in from the, whatever your screen name is down below, we'll enter that in. We'll do a live drawing here in a couple of weeks. And that if you're entering in it and you agree to do that, that once we do that live drawing and we pick the 10 winners, you're going to have to contact us by email to let us know where to ship the stuff to. So we'll probably give you a week or so after that, and then you just won't win. So we're trying to do this as painlessly as possible for ourselves, but this is the best way we came up with. So again, we'll post this video. You've got about 2 weeks, because we're going to SHOT Show, we'll be gone, to just leave a comment. Hey man, put me in the drawing. I want in, whatever you want to do. And then be willing to watch the other video we do where we actually live do the drawing. And then leave a if you win, then be able to leave the comment down there and send us an email with your contact info so we can send them to you. So appreciate everybody that has tuned in over the years, everybody who has subscribed. YouTube's never been like a moneymaker or anything for us, but it's been a lot of fun and it's driven a lot of business our way, just regular Cerakote business. So, we're very appreciative of that. And as always, thanks for watching and have a great day.